In this question, guys, we are told that a straight line has equation 2y minus 10x equals 8. Part A, has to work out the gradient of this line. So it has to be in the form y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient of our line, so the coefficient of x, the number in front of the x, or next to the x, you could say. Okay, I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to add 10x and then I'm going to divide by 2. So I'm going to get y is equal to 8 plus 10x all over 2. Okay, this can then be simplified. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it as y is equal to 4 plus 5x. And I'm going to just quickly rewrite it in the format, y equals mx plus c. So I'm going to have y is equal to 5x plus 4. We can hopefully see, or we should see, that the number in front of the x is going to be 5. Therefore, the gradient is equal to 5. Okay, part B, write down the equation of a line that is parallel to this line. So parallel lines are lines that have the same gradient, so the same coefficient of x in the form y equals mx plus c. So we could have, let's say, y is equal to 5x. Oops, sorry guys. We could have y equals 5x plus 7, 5x minus 14, 5x plus 12. Okay, as long as the plus c is not the same as plus 4, your answer can be in the form y equals 5x, okay, plus or minus 10, okay, plus 10 minus 10. Okay, as long as it's got that 5 in front of the x. Okay, so parallel lines are lines that have the same gradient. Okay, lines that never meet. Okay, so the same coefficient of x in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is your gradient and c is your y-intercept. Okay, so just a little recap here for part A. I rearranged it to make y the subject, so I added 10x to both sides and then I divided by 2. Okay, so yes, sorry that I did it in like one step there. Yes, you would have got 2y equals 8 plus 10x, and then divide it by 2, and you'll get y equals 8 plus 10x all over 2, or halves. Okay, divide each component by 2. 8 over 2 is 4, and 10x over 2 is 5x. And I just rewrote it in the format y equals mx plus c, where our gradient, which is the number in front of the x, was equal to 5. And then for part B, parallel lines are lines that have the same gradient, so the same coefficient of x in the form y equals mx plus c. Okay, thank you for watching this video.